Hello, I am Dr. Nicole Schiff. I am a veterinarian and a certified veterinary acupuncturist at the cat practice in Marina del Rey. And this here is Jack. Jack is a 17-year-old cat who has been diagnosed with inflammatory bowel disease. Today, Jack is at the cat practice to have an acupuncture session to help with his symptoms, including his nausea. Acupuncture is the use of small stainless steel needles like this one to accomplish a specific goal. In this case, we want to decrease the inflammation in his intestinal system. It can also be used to decrease pain using the body's own neurophysiologic system. The larger part of the needle is the handle, and only the very fine section is inserted into the body. Acupuncture in conjunction with Western medicine can be used to treat any number of issues that your cat might be facing. These issues include arthritis, back pain, stomach upset, diarrhea, urinary problems, and asthma, just to name a few examples. We are not using any other sedatives or anesthesia with Jack. We often start by placing the first needle in the tissue on the forehead. This is a site that tends to relax us after it is placed. Cats usually tolerate acupuncture very well, in fact, far better than most owners would anticipate. The number of needles that I use varies with each cat, but on average is usually around 10 to 15 needles per session. Here at the cat practice, we use acupuncture in combination with Western medicine. It's really important that we do not delay any necessary diagnostic tests or medication, but sometimes we can lower the medication doses that they are on if they are having side effects from them, or give another option if the other treatments are not working for them. As you can see here, Jack is very relaxed. Again, no sedatives or anesthesia of any kind have been used. What you're seeing here is the effect of the needles. Acupuncture releases natural endorphins in the body, and a lot of times the endorphins can make them fairly sleepy, so it works pretty well for keeping them still while the needles are in place. When your cat comes into the cat practice, we can do the session in many different ways. You can be in the room with your cat if you'd like, or we can apply the acupuncture in the treatment area for people who are squeamish about watching the needles themselves. Typically, we leave the needles in for about 15 to 20 minutes, but we can do more or less time depending on if the cat is getting upset. A typical course of treatment might be one session once a week for 4 weeks, and then intermittently depending on the response to that. The removal of the needles is usually very quick and easy. As you can see here, Jack barely notices as the needles are taken out. Finally, this procedure is called acupuncture. Acupuncture is the use of a hypodermic needle, in this case filled with a vitamin B12 solution, injected in the tissue at an acupuncture site. The site I'm using for Jack in this image is primarily to help with his stomach upset. Here is Jack from another visit. Here again, you can see that he is tolerating the needles very well and only needs some scratching under the chin to help keep him calm. If you have any questions about acupuncture, you're curious about it for your cat, please give us a call at the cat practice and we will be happy to go through the details with you.